Another quality Pooch Man production here. Yeah, we're gonna try a new camera trick called prop it up on something unstable. Camera trick, yeah. Okay. I have another goodie box that I got from Gary Schroeder, the letter guy. And he sent me a little letter here. It says, find and close a goodie box for you to use as you see fit. I am new to your videos and enjoy them. I have learned some good how-tos from you. Thank you. Thank you for watching. I'm a retired letter carrier and collect postal vehicles. And 57 Chevys, over 500 in my collection, plus 1,500 Hot Wheels from the mid-70s on. I would love to see a 57 Chevy. What did I do with it? '57 Chevy. Oh, with opening doors, hint, hint, video. Take care, happy collecting. Oh, I see. With opening doors, huh? I'll probably end up using that Hot Wheel casting with the hood that already opens. I'll have to, you know what? I don't think I haven't cut one of them up yet. I'll have to take that under advisement. Okay, I've had this goodie box for a little bit now, and I've been chomping at the bit to get into it. I kind of cracked a couple of them already. This first one here is the Ford Shelby GR1 concept. That thing is sweet. I think I have one of these in blue. This is a pretty nice piece, man. It's got the little Ford emblems, the headlights, little Ford emblem on the back, the tail light. It's pretty dope. I like that one. And I also peeked and spotted this Rolls Royce. I love that Rolls Royce. That's pretty sweet. Silver Cloud. All the rest of them, he's got. I haven't peeked yet. They're in little tissue wrappings. Anyway, that's the newest Volkswagen Combi. It's pretty sweet. I don't know about the whole yellow interior thing though. Now what are you gonna do? What's this one here? Oh, dude. Look at that. Was that a custom? Wait a minute here. Look at this thing. Yeah, that's somebody's custom. They robbed the wheels off it. That looks pretty cool like that. Is that a garage car? I don't know. And what do we got here? Oh, what do we got here? Look at that. That is a green light. Firebird. That's pretty sweet. Yeah, I like Firebirds. What do we got here? Looks like an ambulance. Ambulance. Oh, dude, that's awesome. Look at that. That is cherry. Super fast. It's even got both back doors. That's a nice little piece there. I like my little ambulances. Fire, rescue equipment. Oh, another Combi. A green one. That's pretty sweet. You know what I think I'm going to do? I'm going to take the base and the interior off of this and stick it in the red one. I'm going to do a little swap-a-rooney. Dude, another Blackwell. That is awesome. I do not have that color. That is sweet there. Blackwell, fire department, ambulance. Oh, not my camera. Not my camera. The quality Pooch Man production. What do we got here? What do we got here? Oh, this is a muscle machine. Little Merc. American Merc. That's pretty nice. American Merc. American Merc. What else we got here? What else we got? Oh, dude. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. We have a M2 Superbird, but the wing broke off. So I got to do a little repair on that. That was sitting on the inside, so I got to do a little repair. I do not have that one. I like me some Superbird. Oh, what do we got? Another American car here. Oh, a CUDA. Look at that. Well, that one's got a bent back axle there. That's not a problem. Or the wheel actually came off. That's not a problem. I fix all that stuff. That's not a problem. Another American car? Oh, dude, a Studebaker. Studebaker. Well, it seems like this one's kind of coming loose here or something. Right there. This hood opens? Yeah, that's pretty sweet. I got a few of them, but I do not have the American flag version of that. What is this? That's a I don't know, what is it? A Mercedes MBG wagon, huh? Oh, real. That's a real toy. Secret Service. Secret Service. Secret Service truck. Pretty sweet. What else we got here? Dude, another Combi? What the heck? You got one of each. Look at that. Orange one, a green one, and a red one. This is pretty sweet. I love the little Combis. And a white one. And a white one. You know what'd be cool is to get a bunch of these green ones and then swap all the bases and interiors out in all the different colors. Because I like the different paint schemes. I just don't like the blue chassis and the funky colored interiors. I don't know why they do that. And the last, but not least, what is Volkswagen? What is that? What is that? Volkswagen Squareback? A Hot Wheel? 69 variant? Really? That's pretty sweet. Buddy, thank you very much. Thank you very much for that goodie box. Gary Schroeder. There's a couple extra pieces in here. I guess they fell off or something. I'll fix it. No, I'll fix them. I'll fix them. You know what I'm going to do right now? I'm going to go ahead and do that swap right now while we speak. I'm going to take this green one apart. I've watched some of you guys videos that do these wheel swaps, man. They look pretty painful to watch. I mean, if you guys would just follow my directive, it'd be smooth as silk. Wax on the drill bit, and one hole. Clean off the bit. I need to get a new little dealy bobber to help. A little stop, drill stop there, so you don't overdo it. A little more wax. Clean off your bit. And which one do we want to do? We want to do the orange one? We'll do the orange one. Drill it. The wax is more for to get the chips out of the bit. There you go. Okay. That was a number 50 bit. Now I'm going to use the 7/32 to knock the heads off. Just like that. Okay. Just like that. Come on now. There you go. And now you just take them apart. You just take them apart. Here's my screwdriver. I'm going to take it apart. Use a screwdriver. Pop it apart. That. And I'm going to pop this orange one here. Okay, so we're going to take the green base, and the tan interior is not bad. I'm going to put the light interior in it. And yeah. Just like that. Doesn't it look better? That funky color. Alright, we'll tap it out. tap 256. Oh, it's already got some wax on it. Tap the hole. Just like that. Uh-oh, cars are flying. Cars are flying. And we're going to tap this other hole out here. Oh, my hand's falling asleep. Great. I've lost all feeling in my fingertips. But that's not going to stop the pooch man. Oh no! Oh no! Okay. It's my first custom in a while because I've been busy doing other things. And, yeah. I got too much stuff going on here. Too much. So a couple little screwies, little screwies, 256 by 3/16 button heads. That's what you want. Forget the rivets. Forget the self-tapping screws. Forget super glue. Just get these and just do it right. Just do it right. What happened? It's not sitting correctly. But anyway, there you go. That's what you get. So yeah, I gotta come up with some more of these green, these little green buddies, so I can get the chrome bases and the co-tan interior. So there you go, a little quickie wheel swap, chassis swap from your old buddy the Pooch Man. Oh yeah, and one other thing, I forget who was asking me, but I showed these two trucks here. So I've got these are Matchbox trucks, and then I have this one here that I lowered, and it fits actually right underneath this one. And the one guy was asking me about this lowered one if it rolled, and yeah, she rolls. She rolls. Okay, so there you go. There you have it. Thanks again, Gary. And you guys have a great week because it's Sunday night. And I've had a busy day and I'm going to go to sleep right now, okay? Because I've had enough. So I'll see you later. And signing off from the Little Car Workshop. It's the Pooch Man here. Another quality Pooch Man production. We'll see you. Bye-bye.